Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily post a photo on YouTube Community tab. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up YouTube app. Then right here hit at that plus sign and select create a post. On that step you are able to select any photo from your camera roll. You can just scroll down and then select a photo. Let me find one. Let it be that one, for example. You can select multiple photos at the same time, but I'll just pick one photo. Now you can hit right here at next, and on that step you should know that YouTube allows you to upload photos in resolution 1:1. So if your photo's resolution is different, you have to crop it. You can do it just like that by dragging it in that square frame. I'll position it like that, and also right here you can add some text to your photo, add some filters, and also you can add some stickers if you want. Once you did that, just hit at next, and on that step you can add a message. Just write down here whatever you want, the post text, and then also you are able to add another photo from here. You can attach up to 5 images to your post, and once you did that and you are ready to share that post, you can also schedule it. Just hit right here at that clock icon, and now you are able to set a schedule for that post. Right here you can select the exact date, and right here you can select exact time. Then hit at OK and hit at done if you want to schedule this post. If you want to just immediately post it, you can remove scheduled time and then right here hit add post. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my YouTube tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.